Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're focusing on a medical term that many people find tricky: hyponatremia. By the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it confidently. Let's break it down step by step. The word is pronounced as hyponatremia. First, we have hypo, where hi sounds like high, and po is like in polar. Next, natri, where ne rhymes with say, and tree is just like the word tree. Finally, mia, where me rhymes with c, and is a soft ending sound. Now, let's put it all together slowly. Hyponatremia. Try repeating after me. Hyponatremia. Now a little faster. Hyponatremia. And at full speed. Hyponatremia. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will come naturally to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Hyponatremia is a medical condition that occurs when the level of sodium in the blood is lower than normal. The word comes from hypo, meaning low, nater, referring to sodium, and emia, which relates to the blood. It's often discussed in medical settings when talking about electrolyte imbalances. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce hyponatremia and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.